So hi guys, today I will make a project and it's going to be a very beginner scratch project. Today I'm planning to make sort of a maze type of project and it's going to be fun. Let's do this. So first we want to get the character or the backdrop. So since I'm planning to make more than one level, I have to have a level thing, I guess. So we have the part of the maze. This is gonna be like the first level. So I'm just making like random lines. And you can hold shift to make straight lines. So I'm planning this just straight line to lead to an end. So far, I'm having this path. If you go down here, it will lead to an end. While if you go this path, it's gonna lead into two paths. That's what I'm thinking so far. So this is gonna go like this, just straight down. And this one's gonna go right here. Oops, messed up. You can always click the back button in case you made a mistake. I'm gonna have a little path going this way. And it's not gonna lead to a dead end. I mean, well, I don't know. I'm thinking maybe a dead end for now. Yeah. So that path itself is gonna go two ways. And I'm holding shift because it's very easy to just hold shift and do the entire thing like that. Oops. Okay. Go this way, this way. Yeah. So I'm planning to be a bit mean. So this level is going to be very annoying. So it goes this way, line straight down, making that a dead end, or maybe two paths. One just leads back to the beginning, like that. And okay, let's go back. So we have this way. Maybe I should make an opening right here. So there's another way to go. And then I think that's good. Maybe a bit of a line here and there. Just to make it a bit harder. So we want to make sure this is actually inside. It's not like we want it outside of the map. So we want it inside this whole thing. We don't want it like outside so people can just cheat. I might want to make it a bit more bigger. Because, you know, the bigger the better. So that's pretty good. There we go. We have the level. So let's save it, just in case. And it's time to make our sprite. So let's find a character that's going to go through the maze. A random breadstick. Nice. Ouch. Didn't have to make that red on me. Cake. Delicious. I think I'm gonna do this dinosaur. Gotta make it a lot smaller. So we change the size variable right here to 10. So it might be a bit too small. Maybe 15. Let's see. Is it? No, the maze might be too big for that. 10 then. 10 it is. So we go through the maze. Oops, wrong way. I'm gonna die. I'm so gonna die. I'm so not gonna die. I'm thinking of maybe making the maze a bit harder. So the black, if you touch the black, then you lose. I gotta make an end post or something right there that can lead you to the next level. And just delete that. So I deleted the rest of the costumes because I'm planning to make an animation. So the dinosaur flaps. So we want it when the flag is clicked. So when the game starts, we want the costume to go to the next costume forever. So it keeps repeating again and again and again and again. Okay, that's no. Okay. So we should make it wait a little bit before it changes to the next costume. So it looks a bit more like an animation. Maybe 0.2, 0.15. Zero 0.1. I think 0.1 is nice. We want to make this a cute little baby dinosaur. So it's gonna be good. Let's just end that so it doesn't go on forever and ever and ever. So let's just paint a little portal. You know what? I'm too lazy to paint a portal. Let's search online. Okay, portal PNG. Because we don't want the video game or whatever that is. Alright, this is good. Just a quick tip for PNG photos. If it has black on the outside, in the background, and there's little gray and dark gray squares, then it's truly a PNG photo. Oops. Okay, I just figured it out. We have to save the image as, I'm saving it as unnamed because I'm a legend. Okay, here it is. Here it is, the portal. So we've got to make it way smaller, but that looks a bit too small. Maybe 15. Oh, that's perfect. So the dinosaur goes into this random portal and goes to the next level. I'm thinking of maybe making a story, but for now, there is no story. The story is there is no story. Just trying to align this a bit more. There we go. So instead of a drag the dinosaur game, I'm thinking of maybe like whenever you press the arrow keys, then it moves that way. It's gonna be a bit harder though. So when the up arrow is pressed, then we move pointing direction. We wanted to point up, so we move this arrow to up and move 10 steps. Let's see how that looks. Okay, that looks a bit that's bad. Anyway, so we want it when it starts to point in just the regular direction. So it starts like that. And I think that's good. So, and 10 steps might be a bit too much though, so I'm going to change it to 5. And let's just, I'm going to do the easy way. Duplicate this. Just change it to down arrow. So when it's the down arrow, we want it pointing down. And then it moves that 5 steps in that direction. So duplicate it again, and duplicate it again. Okay, so this is going to be the right arrow. And we're going to go that way. This is going to be the left arrow. And it's going to go that way. Okay, pretty easy, I guess. So let's start it. We can do it, but it looks a bit kind of weird. I mean, it works. But it's a bit too easy. I mean, you could just do this. So that is not what we want. Why is he flying upside down? Anyway, so I'm just gonna make it so that whenever the dinosaur touches the black, then it how should I say this? Restarts at its starting position. I'm gonna make the starting position whatever position this is, which is this, I guess. Yeah, 19,162. So then, events, when the flag is clicked, forever, when the flag is clicked, if touching color, then whatever this color is, then I put it in a I put the if loop in a forever loop because I want it to always check if it's touching the color black. So if it's touching the color black, then go to wherever it is right now. Good. But I just noticed this is black. So we're gonna have to maybe change the color. Oh, bitmap. I hate bitmap. It has to be bitmap because we can't change that. Oh! Okay. Purple might be a bit too dramatic though. I'm thinking of doing like this. How would that look? It won't work. Oops. What did I do? No, that was a terrible idea. Let's just try a regular color then. The regular color works. Maybe let's try a color that's close to black, but not definitely black. There we go. That looks creepy. Creepy indeed. Oh, that's good for now, but we can't have this called unnamed. So we're gonna call it Portal. Not just Portal, named Portal. You have to say named Portal, because otherwise it's unnamed Portal. And that's just, no. Okay, so let's try it. Dang it. Dang it, I'm so horrible at this game. Oh my goodness, that was a hair's breadth away. La 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 la. Oh, I barely made it. Let's see if we can get to this evil portal. Ooh, I've got an idea. I'm gonna play the Indiana Jones. Great. The portal is black. So we can't have a black. But a bit brighter. Be like that. And we need to change this. So maybe a bit. Da 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 da. Maybe it's a bit too dark. The black on the edges is too dark, so I'm gonna make it purple. Don't you think I should make it a bit more blue around the edges? Because that would match more? That's good for now. I'm thinking let's make it a bit more blue and get it around the edges. I just noticed I could have just made a circle around the entire thing. Could have. Too late now. Now let's see if it lets me get to the portal. I'm definitely not cheating. Okay. It worked! Oof. I do not want to delete that. Okay. Let's do this. So let's save it, just in case anything happens, as I always say. We have the named portal here. Oops. I cannot undo that. Very oops. Let's just put it back and make sure when clicked, go to this position. There we go. Let's see if we can do this. Full screen mode. I challenge myself. Probably way easier in full screen mode, but don't tell anyone I said that. Oh. These little icicle things at the end are kind of hard, but they're not too hard. I want to make them a little longer. Why is the... We are stuck behind a portal. Isn't that ironic? Okay, anyway. We got to the portal. Now let's just go back there, end it. So these are our levels. Great. So we want to make it so when the dinosaur touches the portal, then... Okay, I have no idea where it is. I have an idea. Okay. So we could just add it to these things. We can add it so it's right there. So if it's touching named portal, you know what, I'm going to make that sentence a bit more like a sentence. The named portal. The Dinosaur 3. The levels. Okay, if touching the named portal, then if touching the named portal, then go to this position. And we're going to make a variable called level. Okay. So we're going to change the level by 1. So when it starts, we're going to set the level to 0. And when you touch the portal, you change level by 1. Perfect. We just gotta move this in. That's a terrible spot, but let's do it. There we go. Okay. That's good. Change level by 1. Okay, now let's go to the levels. When clicked, forever, if level equals 1, Then, oh, you gotta go to, okay, never mind. Next, costume. Okay, but we only have one costume. Let's just call this level 1. Alright, so we've got a new level. Let's duplicate it. This level's gonna be way more annoying. So I'm gonna add a bunch of different stuff into it. Remember to hold shift to make straight lines. Straighter lines anyway. Oh, that's gonna be annoying. A bit too annoying. Okay, I think that's good. No, the dinosaur's not gonna fit there. I'm too nice. Ah! What just happened? Okay. That's better. Let's do that much. Yeah, the dinosaur can fit through that. It'll manage. And we can just make a little erase mark right here. But we're going to make this here and erase this. I'm going to make a line here and erase this. Make a line. No way. What did I just do? Oops. Remember, you could always press the back arrow if you make any mistakes. So it goes like that, that. That's too easy. How could I make this harder? Because you could just go like that. Done. So I'm gonna think of without shift on. I'm gonna connect these two like that. If you go like that, you're gonna get stuck. Oh, no you're not. Shift on. Okay, there we go. Just gonna discourage any trespassers. Oh, that's gonna be annoying. That's gonna be very annoying. Let's do this. Okay, so let's just flip it around so it looks better. Like that. A bit higher. That's good. Just in case. Right there. Like that. It's pretty hard. Let's try it. Oh, oops. Forgot. When clicked, at the beginning, we want to set the level or the costume to level 1. Okay, this is the easy version, easier version. got so used to the second level already. Oh, I just noticed a glitch. It says level 0. We're definitely not on level 0. So you have to change it so that it starts at level 2. Oh great, now what's happening? Let me check. Okay. Just gonna fix that. Now what is wrong? Oh! Oh, okay, there we go. Okay. Let's do this again. I'm totally not cheating. Okay, we're on level 2. Ha ha ha. How did I not die? Okay.